Social Security payments delay in May 2026 Prana Benefit TB. Some retirees will wait nearly 5 weeks for their Social Security check in May 2026, but it's not a delay you think. Why payments feel delay? For over 70 million Americans, payments from the Social Security Administration are a financially lifeline. But in May 2026, many people are experiencing what feels like a delay. Here, truth. It's not a policy issue, not a funding problem, and not a system failure. It's simply a calendar quick. Social Security payments follow a business day based system, and in May 2026, the first business day falls later than usual. That puts the first major payment date to May 13, shifting the entire cycle forward. Even though nothing has changed in the system itself, the timing creates a longer gap between April and May payments. For retirees who depend on these checks, even a few extra days can feel like a big delay. How the payment system works. Social Security payments are carefully structured to handle millions of people efficiently. Most beneficiaries are paid based on their birth date. If your birth date is between the 1st and 10th, you have paid on the second Wednesday of the month. If it falls between the 11th and 20th, you have paid on the third Wednesday. And if your birthday is between the 21st and 31st, you were paid on the fourth Wednesday. In May 2026, those dates fall on May 13, May 20, and May 27. Because the first payment start later than usual, everyone on the schedule experiences a shift. The system itself has not changed, but the calendar has. Who feels the longest wait? Not everyone is affected equally. The biggest impact is one people who received their April payment early, like around April 10. For them, the next payment does not arrive until May 13, creating a gap of more than 30 days. That's longer than the usual 28 days cycle most people accept. This extended gap can feel stressful, especially for retirees managing tight budget. Bills like rent, groceries, and medical expenses don't wait even if your payment does. Financial experts call this a long cycle month where a timing shift creates temporary pressure on your finance. Who is not affected? Here the good news, not everyone will experience this delay. If you started receiving benefits before 1997, you were usually paid of the third month of each month. So your schedule stay consistent. Also, SSI receipts are paid on May 1st, 2026, since it does not fall on a weekend or holiday. If you receive both SSI and Social Security, you will still get your SSI payments at the beginning of the month, which can help cover expenses while waiting for your Social Security check. This built in structure helps reduce the impact for some beneficiaries even during unusual months like May 2026. How to handle the gap? So, what can you do if you are affected? The key is planning ahead. If you know a long gap is coming, try to adjust your spending or set aside a small buffer from your previous payment. Even a little extra can help cover initial expenses during the wait. This situation highlights an important reality. Timing matters just as much as the amount. Even if your income does not change, when it arrives can impact your financial stability. By understanding the schedule and preparing in advance. You can avoid unnecessary stress and stay in control of your budget. Did your payment feel late this month? Comment your date below and follow for more real money updates.